what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral AI-generated ASMR-style videos step by step. They're blowing up right now on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Most of them are getting millions of views. They look super satisfying and relaxing. But here's the best part. You don't need a mic, a camera, or even 3D modeling skills. With the power of AI, these are insanely easy to make. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials on AI tools, content creation hacks, and monetization tips. All right, let's jump in. Step 1. Copy the base prompt. I've already added a full ready-to-use AI prompt in the description below. Here it is. You can copy this entire prompt as is. Then, look for the parts in red, or just identify the object described, like the apple, and replace it with your own idea. Here are some creative examples to get you started. Glowing jelly cubes, popcorn exploding in slow motion, tiny robots building a mini house. These kinds of ideas really grab attention and help your videos stand out. Still not satisfied with the default prompt? Just paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to tweak the details, like colors, background ambience, or overall vibe. Once it feels right, copy the final version and get ready to generate your video. Step 2. Open the Google VO3 model. Now head over to the Google VO3 platform. You'll need an account. I've dropped the link in the description too. Paste your updated prompt into the input box, then open the settings. Here's what I recommend. Set the model to VO3 fast. It only costs 20 credits per generation. Avoid the high quality mode for now. It burns 100 credits per clip, and that adds up fast. Set the output count to 1. It'll help you test more ideas without wasting credits. Click Generate, and within seconds, your first AI video will be ready. Step 3. Download and upscale your video. Before downloading, make sure to click Upscale and select 1080p resolution. That way, you get a high-quality version without using any extra credits. And there it is, your first AIASMR video. Looks pretty awesome, right? Step 4. Repeat and create more variations. Let's try another one. You can change the concept to something else, like cutting rainbow crayons. A tiny kinetic sand playground. Digital jellyfish floating in a glass cube. All you need to do is swap out the main object in the prompt, run it through the same steps, and boom, a totally new video. With this method, you can easily pump out dozens of short videos in an hour. No video editing, no cameras, no voiceovers, just you, your ideas, and some smart use of AI. This AI video niche is still super fresh, which means low competition and high growth potential. If you stay consistent and post daily, you could fill an entire channel with trending shorts in just a few weeks. So don't overthink it. This is your sign to start now and let AI do the heavy lifting for your content. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. I've got plenty more AI content creation tutorials coming your way. Catch you in the next one.